Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are doing some nails and I decided to go for neon because Madame Glam actually sent me more colors. So we're gonna do like kind of like a French like modern manicure but with these neon colors. So before we get into this little tutorial, make sure to subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more like nails. So Madame Glam just sent me this and it is everything you love at your fingertips. And what I like about Madame Glam is that I love the formulation. They are actually vegan, cruelty-free, nan-free formula and also HEMA-free, which is always amazing. They have a bunch of different colors. I have a code actually down below. You can use the code Roxanne. So they sent me 3 new colors and actually another lamp. So I have the neon color. This one is in the shade Lemon Cello. So this is kind of like a lemon green, very bright yellow color, which is really nice. I use it for today for my nails. And I also have this other color, which is a Amazonian Dream. It's a very bright green neon again, which I used on my nails for today as well. And the only color that we didn't use is the this one is Sunset in Hawaii. So this is this bright orange color neon again, and I'm gonna be using this in another video for sure, but we're gonna stick to the yellow and green for today. All right, so let's jump into it. We're gonna switch and just concentrate on my blue table and my nails. So first off, the first thing that I did, of course, before I even started doing this video is that yesterday I did file down my nails. I have a nail that's actually shorter than the other one, which is super annoying, but I still wanted to keep it. So it's a bit shorter than the other ones on my left hand, but it's still gonna work. So I filed it around, I filed it on top as well, and then after that what I did is I opened a little alcohol patch to put it on my nails to really remove any of the oils that I had on my nails, which is super important to do, especially the prep if you want your nails to last super long. So after that I placed everything on my table, and I went straight up with the base coat. So this one is the base coat gel. It's clear. It's a soak-off base coat, and I applied it on all of my fingernails, which this one is super smooth. It goes super well, and I'm getting actually really better at doing that, which is crazy because usually I'm really bad at doing nail polish, but girl, I am getting so good. I'm like, I want to do my nails all the time after that. So we're doing that, and then after that I went straight with the Lemon Cello color, and actually applying this, I wasn't so sure about what I was going to do at first, so I decided to put that on my nails all around. I put 2 coats on my left hand, and when I did my right hand, I did put 3 coats just because my left hand is just not as good as the other one when I'm doing it. So anyways, 2 coats for the hand that you're seeing right now. And then after that, I was like, oh, like it's a cute color, but I feel like it's kind of plain, and I usually do just plain colors. So I wanted to put a little twist to it. And looking into that, I went to the green color, the Amazonian Dream, and I was like, I'm gonna put it on a little palette on the side. I'm gonna put some in the palette, and then I'm gonna take like a really old just paintbrush that I had in my collection, which is not super nice. It's not a nail brush, but it still looks really nice overall. It did the job, that's what we want. And I went straight in it, and I decided to paint kind of like this like top of the nail manicure style design. I like also while applying this, both of the colors, I like the consistency of this gel polish because it's not too liquidy. Some nail polish, gel UV nail polish, they're very liquidy and it's hard to like stay in the place, where this one, there's a certain stickiness to it. Like it's like when you put it under the UV light, it does become sticky, which is always amazing. And when you're finished with your design, everything, then you're putting it under the UV light, and this UV light actually works for like 45 to 60 seconds, which is always nice for that. You keep it there and it cures your nails the best way possible so you can put your designs in place. And then after I finished all of these colors, the only thing that was missing is that my camera cut off because actually my card was full, so I just decided to continue on with my journey of my nails. So I just put the top coat, which I'm going to show you right now. It is the, where is it? The top coat gel. The clear one, it's shiny. This one is a little bit more liquidy and it goes on very nicely over. You cure it and it's really good. The only thing after that I did is that I decided to spray a little bit of alcohol and then go back with the lint-free wipes that I had. And, you know, it wasn't enough because this one is really sticky. So you have to go past a couple of times on it. So I went back a couple times, passed it with the alcohol wipes, and now it's not sticky anymore and it looks really good. So this is gonna last pretty long. I tested it out. It lasts like over 2 weeks. It's super nice if you're super careful with it as well, and you're not using it too much, like not too many dishes, not too many putting your nails everywhere, you know. And yeah, that's basically what I did, and I'm super happy that Glam sent me this actually, because I did these nails and it was so due. Like I told you, my nails were growing and they are kind of like frail but not at the same time, and I kind of want to keep them growing so I don't have to go to the nail salon to get fake extensions, because I know that they're gonna just become super frail and I'm not gonna be able to grow them anymore. So having that, amazing, because if I want to remove it, I just have to soak it in acetone, and sometimes after 2 weeks I can just like remove it straight off. But it's better with acetone. I'm just telling you, so it can protect your nails and you can be prepped for the next batch of nail polish. So that was a mini little tutorial how I did my nails. I really hope that you enjoyed it. And if you liked it and if you want to see more little designs, and if you want to see any designs, me trying it, anything, make sure to send it to me by email, by Instagram, anything. Also put them in the comments down below. I would love to know what you think about all of that. And also subscribe to my channel for 5 beautiful videos a week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So being cozy, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye guys.